Big Five, I have been associated, I think, since 5 or 6 years now. And I believe in this platform, this show. We have had great business in the beginning. After 18 months, the shows have started. And we are looking forward to see people getting believe in face-to-face shows, unlike online shows, which have been going on in 2020. But yes, there have been decent amount of footfalls which have coming in right now, and I'm looking forward for more people in another next 2 days. See, exhibition for us always has been in the two platform. I mean, two ways. One is to keep endorsing that we still are there. So on the face, your brand is again and again seen. And secondly is to meet new people, new clients, new projects. The show has been pretty good. And this brings the confidence that people are open to now go out and meet people, which is a good sign. The systems here are amazingly good. The safety measures, the way the things are handled over here in this region, there's no comparison.